What up guys, it is What's Short, and today we are unboxing the brand new iPad M4 chip in it. This is going to be my portable workhorse. And today is just an unboxing, nothing too crazy. So right off the bat, there's the iPad. Look how thin this is. I don't know if you guys realize this, but this is a really thin iPad. Like, wow. Put this to the side for now, see what other goodies we get in here. So we do get USB Type-C and a brick. Very nice. And I believe that's all we get in this box. But not only do we have that, we also have the new Magic Keyboard for the iPad. Gotta say, I'm loving the pull tabs on these. And here it is, the new Magic Keyboard. Very nice. And so, we can just combine these two with the three little dots here, three little dots there, and it will just magnetize perfectly on there. There we go. You can fold it up. I think this looks great. Charging is on this side to charge it. You could also charge it over here. Here in the other USB-C port. So this is what this looks like, and we have one last thing to unbox. And that is this brand new Apple Pencil. The Black Friday sales were really good to me. And here it is. The brand new Apple Pencil. There you go. This is what the iPad fully looks like. Assembled. I'm going to probably start making some video editing content on here, or Photoshop, but I do want to try video editing on this, because I haven't really seen many videos talking about it just yet. So I think that'd be interesting. But anyways, thanks so much guys for watching, and I will see you next time.